Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa, Ayurvedic doctor. Today I am going to tell you about the importance of sleep in our life. Mainly, three things are there. They are our appetite, our natural urges, and sleep. These three things are very important in our life. If you are sitting for in a restaurant or in a hotel, and if you are not feeling, or in your house only, but you are not feeling to take food, and every time it is repeating, then it's a serious issue. Like that only, if your motion is not passing daily very well, this is also a major issue. Like that only, our sleep is also very important. 7 to 8 hours sleep is very must. By nature, during daytime we want to work, and at the night time we want to sleep. But in many industries, in IT field and all, they are doing night shift job, and by daytime they are sleeping. So in our Ayurvedic system, what option is there for these peoples, that I will explain you later. Next, we can see that in our body, one pineal gland is there, and melatonin hormone is produced there. So when all the lights are switched off, then only it start to work, and when the light is on, at that time it will get stops. So during night, 7 to 8 hours sleep is very much essential for our healthy body. Next, we can see that what all diseases will occur in our body with less hour sleep. Mainly chronic fatigue syndrome. It is that you will feel always fatigue, weakness, not activated during day and night time. Next point is, you will feel that your memory and concentration level is becoming very less, and your problem solving skills are also decreasing. Like that, all the metabolic disorders, hormone imbalance and obesity, diabetes, heart diseases, cholesterol related problems, like that glucose metabolism, stroke, all these problems will be happening in our body with the less amount of sleeping. Like that, our immunity will also be affected. It will reduce, and inflammation in our body will increase. So during night time, our body is repairing all the internal organs and joints, bones, etc. So if you are not sleeping for essential time, it will affect our health. Next point is, for our job night shift people, one option is there. If a person is working for 8 hours at night, they can, in the daytime, without taking food, they can rest for 4 hours. After 4 hours sleep, he can take food and all. By doing this, the person will not get more affected by the night shift job. Next point is, I will suggest my patients to sleep by early and get up early. But every parents will say that no, we are not having that routine. We will be sleeping on 11 or 12 o'clock, and we will be getting by 6 or 7. So whatever the thing or cause it is, in your body you are having a biological clock. So if you are trying to sleep by 9:30 and waking up by 4:30 or 5 for 21 days continuously, from 22nd day you will not need any alarm to get up at 4:30. So this is the thing. Biological clock will work in our body. Just it is the mind settings that we can't get up, we can't sleep early and all. In children also, growth hormone will be working at the night time more, so they should sleep very much in the night time. Like that, what all things will help for the night sleep? You can apply oil. Abhyanga is the best solution for that. Abhyanga for our body and head is very much essential. Nowadays, Abhyanga or oil application is very much reduced in our country. Pada Abhyanga is also very good effective method for the night sleep. Pada Abhyanga means you can apply whatever oil, sesame oil or coconut oil or ghee or whatever you want, you can apply at the night time before sleeping, half an hour before sleeping. You can make a massage in your foot. It will helps to getting a good sleep. By evening, you can do some exercises, some sort of exercises like brisk walking, jogging or aerobics or something, swimming, etc. It will also help. And after coming from these exercises, sit for 45 minutes and take a good hot water, warm water shower. This will help a lot. Warm milk, drinking warm milk at night time is also very beneficial for sleeping. Then avoid caffeine, coffee, tea, etc. at evenings, from evenings only. Next is, please switch off your all gadgets, mobiles, computers and all, TVs and all before 1 hour. If you want to sleep at 9:30 or 10 o'clock, please take your dinner by 7:30. It will be helpful, and that dinner should be very light. Like that, while you are sitting, if you are having any job related things, okay. If you're IT, if you are working at IT field and all, it is okay. But other than that, if you are just in social media or just surfing in your mobiles or computers, please think again, is this essential? This question will help you very much. Like that, music and yoga is also very helpful for a deep sleep at night. So 7 to 8 hours sleep is very essential to our healthy life. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.